Hello everyone and welcome back to this brand new episode on our YouTube channel Rescoli by Carlo. So, what's new, or rather, what's behind me? If you remember well, or if you haven't seen the episodes already, there was an episode called Tell Us What to Do with This Piece of Furniture. You can find it in our in our playlist, and there you can see the before, or rather how it was before it was reloved. So what do we do? What do we have here? We have this gin cabinet. There were quite a few comments of people telling us what to do with the piece, varying and various opinions, and finally we have the result here. So what do we have here? Basically what we did was we had to remove some pieces of wood. We had to remove all the mica on the from the surface on the top there, and this part here. It was quite an endeavor, but we managed to have raw wood. And at that point in time, we decided that we would leave the raw wood as it is. But what happened? Part of the process was to leave the doors here in wood. So when we did this, we painted it. We applied the browning wax on the raw wood, but the wood was two colors, so it didn't match with the doors. So we then decided to repaint with the color that you can see. So first and foremost, what is the color? The color is called Hornblower from the Lazy range of the Frenchic furniture paint. So we decided to keep it clean as much as possible. We had various opinions and we had various ideas on how to do this, but we decided to leave it all in Hornblower. At one point we were thinking of doing some Frenchine, some metallics on it, but then we decided to leave it a little bit more sexless, kind of, not too masculine and not too feminine. So what do we have here? Basically, the front of this part, it was all covered in mirrors, which were breaking when touched. So we decided to remove all, and we created some texture here. But then we decided to still leave it in Hornblower. And as you can see, it turns, and here you can put your gin bottles, the normal ones, because the other ones you can put anywhere else. So what did we do at the back of it? Both up here and inside the cabinet proper, we wanted something to lighten it up, and we used this wallpaper with these blue jays in it to at least have a little bit of continuity with the color. The upper part was a mirror, and we couldn't remove. It was too strong to remove. It was unbreakable. What we did was we painted it we gave 3 coats of paint before we put the wallpaper at the back. We applied the wallpaper with the finishing coat, and now, as you can see, it's completed and ready to be sold to a lucky one of you. I'll be showing you now in detail what are the results, and you can enjoy our final product. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also comment under this video to tell us what you think about our little upcycling project here. Thank you very much. See you next time. Ta-ta. Bye.